Hi everyone, myself Vamsi. In the previous session, we have seen how to set up Prometheus server. And now what we are going to do is, we are going to monitor Linux server using Prometheus node exporter. Prometheus node exporter needs Prometheus server to be up and running. If you like to set up Prometheus, you can watch my previous video. And Prometheus server uses port 9100 opened in the firewall as Prometheus read matrix on this port. Basically, you need to open 9100 port, only then your Prometheus reads matrix on this port. We'll get started with the implementation steps. First, we need to set up node exported binary. For that, go to Prometheus and see there is something called node exporter. Click on node exporter and you can see latest version is this one. Copy link address. You can keep it here. This is the latest version. Let us get started with these steps. I am doing the same process on the Prometheus server which I already have. Go to temp and just wget node exporter and then tar xvf node exporter done, and then you have to move this to user local bin. Node exporter you need to move to user local bin mv node exporter / node exporter. Under this node exporter is there, you need to move it to user local bin. Perfect, this is done. And next thing, similar to Prometheus service, you need to create node exporter as a service. To create node exporter user to run, you need to create that user. This is the command we need to use to create a user. User add -rs bin false node exporter. This is the user. And next thing, you need to create a service under /etc/system.d/system. Mention this, create this file. Under this file, you need to paste unit description after all these things. Copy this and mention this. This is done. If you see, user is node exporter, group is node exporter, service type is simple, execute start. User local bin node export is the file which we will use for starting. Save this. And next, reload the system so that this service will be reflected. This is done. Now start the node exporter service. Before that, you can start the service systemctl start node underscore exporter. The service is started. If you want, you can see the status as well. Up and running, perfect. Now next thing what you need to do is, you need to enable node exporter service to the system startup. If you want, if there is any server restart, if you want the service to be started along with the server, you can enable this. I am not doing this. Now node exporter will be exporting matrix on 9100 port. Let me allow this in the security groups as well. Go to instances. This is the security group. Let us allow the edit inbound rules, add rule 9100. This is the server. We have allowed that. And if you want to see, you can use Prometheus server 9100/metrics. 9100/metrics. Perfect. These are the metrics which we have. This is working perfect. Next thing what we need to do is we need to configure the server as target on Prometheus server. For that we need to change Prometheus YML file. Let us go to /etc/Prometheus.yml file, and we need to add the entry for the node exporter. If you see, we need to create a job name. This target is different. In this case, the target is this server because my node exporter and Prometheus are running on the same machine. Copy this and add one more job name. This is perfect. Now save the file, and we need to restart Prometheus service so that these changes will be affected. And now to confirm, what we need to do is we need to go to Prometheus UI and say server IP colon 9090/target. In the target, this should get added. If you see in the targets, we were able to see the endpoint which we added now. If you want to monitor another server, in that server run the node exporter, and in the Prometheus YML configure that. And if you want to query for node related metrics, you can use the following key node metrics and do it. If you want to see memory free bytes, shift home, go here. You can go to the graph and you can hit this one and click on graph. See, you are able to see the node memory free bytes. If you want to see nodes CPU per seconds, you can go here and hit this node CPU per seconds, execute. You can see the CPU. This is the instance, and you can see the CPU. And then if you want to see file system available bytes, you can hit this node file system available bytes, execute. You can see the file system. If you see, this is the space /dev/xvda. If you can see here, this is the root device, right? Root device and block device, you are able to see here. /device, this will come from here. If you see df-h, this is the one it is showing, file system /device/xvda1. We are able to see the file system, how much usage it is having, everything will be showed here. Next thing, if you want to see network receive bytes or node CPU function rate, you can say rate, and you can hit here and see execute. This is the rate, right? You can see at this instance it is this much, and next it went. You can see this as well. And if you want to see network receive bytes as well, same thing, copy this and execute here. Execute. This is how you are watching different metrics of a particular server. If you want, you can watch multiple metrics as well, but for now I have shown you only one server. Likewise, you can monitor other servers as well. In the next video, we will integrate Grafana and Prometheus. In this video, we have seen how to create node exporter, or like how to configure node exporter as a service, and then we have configured this node exporter as a target for Prometheus by changing the configuration file. Then we have restarted and we are able to see the target, and we have monitored couple of statistics like node memory, memory free bytes, CPU seconds total, file system available bytes, all these things we have monitored in the Prometheus web UI itself. Thanks everyone for watching this video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.